Hi everyone, welcome to my channel MLT Super Guide. In this video, I am going to discuss Hematology Part 1. If you are watching my channel first time, please watch my previous videos. Link is given in the description box. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you. First question. Erythrocytes that vary in size from the normal size are described as hypochromia, anisocytosis, pleocytosis, poikilocytosis. Right answer is option B, anisocytosis. And hypochromia means RBCs have less color than normal when examined under a microscope. The most common cause is iron deficiency. If it is not treated properly, this can lead to a disorder called iron deficiency anemia. Pleocytosis means increased white blood cell count in cerebrospinal fluid. Poikilocytosis refers to an increase in abnormal RBCs of any shape. It can be flat, elongated, teardrop shape, crescent shape, sickle shape, or maybe thorn-like projections, etc. Next question. The staining method which is used most frequently to stain and count reticulocytes. Immunofluorescence, Romanowsky staining, cytochemical staining, supravital staining. Right answer is option D, supravital staining. And what is supravital staining? It's the most common. Supravital staining is performed on reticulocytes using new methylene blue or brilliant crescent blue, which makes it possible to see the reticulofilamentous pattern of ribosomes characteristically precipitated in these live immature RBCs by the supravital stains. Next question. Using a Coulter counter analyzer, an increased red cell distribution width should correlate with spherocytosis, anisocytosis, presence of nucleated RBCs, all. Right answer is option B, anisocytosis. Next question. When an RBC containing iron granule is stained with Prussian blue, the cell is called siderocyte, spherocyte, schistocyte, none. Right answer is option A, siderocyte. And spherocyte means instead of being shaped like a biconcave disc, the cells are round like a sphere. These RBCs are called spherocytes. They are more fragile than disc-shaped RBCs. Schistocyte is a fragmented part of RBC. Next question. A decreased osmotic fragility test would be associated with which of the following conditions? Sickle cell anemia, hereditary spherocytosis, hemolytic disease of the newborn, all. Right answer is option A, sickle cell anemia. Next question. Name the reagent used in cyan-methemoglobin method. Dropkin solution, 1/10 normal HCl, sulfuric acid, all. Right answer is option A, Dropkin solution. Next question. What is the normal WBC's count at birth? 20,000 per cubic mm of blood, 10,000 per cubic mm of blood, 30,000 per cubic mm of blood, 15,000 per cubic mm of blood. The right answer is option A, 20,000 per cubic mm of blood. Next question. The normal value of MCHC is 12 to 20%, 22 to 28%, 32 to 36%, 40 to 44%. Right answer is option C, 32 to 36%. And the full form of MCHC is mean corpuscular hemoglobin concentration. It is the average concentration of hemoglobin in RBCs. Hemoglobin is a protein molecule that allows RBCs to carry oxygen to tissues in the body. Next question. What is the normal prothrombin time? 1 to 2 minutes, 10 to 14 seconds, 30 to 60 seconds, none. Right answer is option B, 10 to 14 seconds. Prothrombin time is used to detect and diagnose a bleeding disorder or excessive clotting disorders. Next question. Which stain is routinely used for differential count? Leishman stain, Albert stain, Gram stain. Right answer is option A. Leishman stain is routinely used for differential count. And Albert stain is used for Corynebacterium diphtheriae. Gram stain is used to classify the bacteria into two large groups, gram-positive bacteria and gram-negative bacteria. Here the right answer is option A, Leishman stain. Next question. Reticulocytes are stained with which type of stain? Crystal violet, hematoxylin stain, brilliant crescent blue, eosin. Here the right answer is option C, brilliant crescent blue. Brilliant crescent blue is a supravital stain used for counting reticulocytes. Next question. Hain's body can be stained with methyl violet, crystal violet, both A and B, none. Right answer is option C, both A and B. Hain's body is first discovered by Dr. Robert Haines, also called Haines-Ehrlich bodies. These are large clumps of damaged hemoglobin located on RBCs. Next question. The fixative present in Leishman stain is 10% formalin, ethanol, acetone-free methanol, all. Right answer is option C, acetone-free methanol. Next question. What are the functions of anticoagulants? Preserve morphology, preventing clot, both A and B, none. Right answer is option C, both A and B. Anticoagulants are used to prevent the formation of blood clot. Next question. Hemoglobin levels are highest in evening, morning, afternoon, night. Right answer is option B, morning. In the morning, slightly dehydrated from sleeping all night and not taking in any fluids. So the hemoglobin level will be high. Next question. Hemoglobin levels are lowest in night, afternoon, evening, morning. Right answer is option C. Hemoglobin levels are lowest in evening. Next question. Platelets are manufactured in the large intestine, the liver, the bone marrow, the small intestine. Right answer is option C, the bone marrow. Next question. What is a major metabolically available form of iron in the body? Transferrin, ferritin, hemoglobin, none. Here the right answer is option B, ferritin. Ferritin is a blood protein that contains iron. Plasma, serum, protein, none. Here the right answer is option B, fluid portion of blood after forming clot is serum. What is the normal size of RBC? 2 micrometer, 8 micrometer, 7.2 micrometer, 6 micrometer. Right answer is option C, 7.2 micrometer. Next question. Which of the following is a liquid anticoagulant? EDTA, heparin, oxalate, citrate. Right answer is option D, citrate. Citrate is in liquid form in the tube and is used for coagulation tests as well as in blood transfusion bags. It binds the calcium but not strongly as EDTA. Next question. Anticoagulant solution used in blood bags. ACD, CPD, CPDA, all. Right answer is option D, all. ACD means acid citrate dextrose, CPD citrate phosphate dextrose, CPDA citrate phosphate dextrose agar. Here the right answer is option D, all. Variation in shape of RBC than normal, poikilocytes, basophilia, anisocytosis, none. Right answer is option A, poikilocytes. Next question. Granulopoiesis is the production of granules, RBCs, granulocyte, all. Right answer is option C, granulocyte. Granulopoiesis is the process by which committed hemopoietic progenitor cell develop into granulocytes under the influence of various growth factors and cytokines. Next question. Solubility test is used for the detection of HBs, HBF, methemoglobin, none. Right answer is option A, HBs. The principle of solubility method was based on turbidity created when HBs is incubated with sodium dithionate. The reagent used in solubility test is sodium dithionate. Next question. Capacity of Windrow's tube for PCV determination. 2 ml, 0.5 ml, 1 ml, 3 ml. Right answer is option C, 1 ml. Next question. Hingelmann solution is used for RBC count, reticulocyte count, WBC count, absolute eosinophil count. Right answer is option D, absolute eosinophil count. Next question. Hemophilia A is due to the deficiency of which factor? Factor 8, factor 7, factor 9, factor 2. Here the right answer is option A, factor 8. Hemophilia A is also called factor 8 deficiency or classic hemophilia. It is a genetic disorder caused by a missing a defective factor 8. Next question. Depth of Fuchs-Rosenthal counting chamber 0.2 mm, 0.1 mm, 0.4 mm, 0.5 mm. Right answer is option A. 0.2 mm is the depth of Fuchs-Rosenthal counting chamber. Next question. Anticoagulant used for platelet count. Heparin, EDTA, oxalate, none. Right answer is option B, EDTA, and the full form of EDTA is ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. Next question. Basophilia is most commonly seen in CML, viral infections, bacterial infections, none. Right answer is option A, CML. Next question. Which of the following hemoglobin is most resistant to alkali denaturation? Right answer is option B, fetal hemoglobin. It is resistant to alkali denaturation, so this technique is useful for the screening of patient. Next question. ORODs are commonly seen in AML, ALL, CLL, CML. Right answer is option A. ORODs are commonly seen in acute myeloid leukemia. ORODs are red staining needle-like bodies seen in the cytoplasm of myeloblast. Next question. Which antibody is associated with peroxisomal cold hemoglobinuria? Anti-I, anti-M, anti-P, none. Right answer is option C. Anti-P is associated with the peroxisomal cold hemoglobinuria. Next question. The morphological classification of anemia is based on which of the following? Reticulocyte count, RBC indices, Prussian blue stain, myeloid erythroid ratio. Right answer is option B, RBC indices. The morphological classification of anemia is based on RBC indices. Next question. Which inclusions may be seen in leukocytes? Dolly bodies, malarial parasites, Havel-Jolly bodies, all. Right answer is option A, Dolly bodies. Dolly bodies are small, round or oval, pale blue-gray structures usually found at the periphery of the neutrophil. They consist of ribosomes and endoplasmic reticulum. Next question. In which age group acute lymphoblastic leukemia occur with the highest frequency? 60 to 70 years, 1 to 15 years, 20 to 40 years, 45 to 55 years. Right answer is option B, 1 to 15 years. Next question. The anticoagulant of choice for most routine coagulation studies. Heparin, sodium citrate, ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid, sodium oxalate. Right answer is option B, sodium citrate. Next question. In TERS fluid, which one of the following acts as a mordant? Glacial acetic acid, ethyl alcohol, iodine, all. Right answer is option A, glacial acetic acid. Next question. Myeloperoxidase show reaction with monoblast, lymphoblast, monocyte, none. Right answer is option A, monoblast. Myeloperoxidase show reaction with monoblast. Next question. Spectacle-shaped nuclei or bilobed nuclei are seen in lymphocyte, monocyte, eosinophil, erythrocyte. Right answer is option C, eosinophil. Spectacle-shaped nuclei or bilobed nuclei are seen in eosinophils. Next question. In the case of polycythemia, spreader is kept at less than 15 degree, greater than 20 degree, 20 to 40 degree, greater than 60 degree. Right answer is option A, less than 15 degree. In the case of polycythemia, spreader is kept at less than 15 degree. Next question. Vitamin involved in blood coagulation is vitamin B12, vitamin K, vitamin D, vitamin E. Right answer is option B. Vitamin involved in blood coagulation is vitamin K. Next question. Atypical lymphocytes are seen in peripheral smear in infectious mononucleosis, aplastic anemia, polycythemia, none. Right answer is option A. Infectious mononucleosis. In infectious mononucleosis, we can see atypical lymphocytes in peripheral smear. Last question. Target cells are associated with hemolytic anemia, thalassemia, iron deficiency anemia, megaloblastic anemia. Here the right answer is option B, thalassemia. Target cells are associated with thalassemia. If you like my channel, please subscribe and share. Thank you.